Hello student. Today I discuss about cyber law. At first I want to share with you what is digital signature. A digital signature is a mathematical technique used to validate the authenticity and integrity of a message, software or digital document. We can say that digital signature technology requires all the parties to trust that individual creating the signature has been able to keep their own private key secret. What is cybercrime? Cybercrime is any criminal activity that involves a computer network device or a network. Need of cyber law. I give one statement according to National Research Council from USA. Need of cyber law. Security of government data, intellectual property rights, privacy and confidentiality of information, legal status of online transaction, etc. purpose. Cyber law is the law governing cyberspace. Any laws relating to protecting the internet and other online communication technology. Here the word cyberspace means the electronic medium of computer networks in which online communication takes place. Cyber law deals with cyber crimes, electronic or digital signature, intellectual property, data protection and privacy. Categories of cybercrime. Cybercrimes against person, cybercrimes against property, cybercrimes against government. Against a person, loss of privacy, harassment with the use of computer. Against property, stealing secret information and data. Against government, cyber terrorism. Some other crimes like logic bombs, spamming, email abuse, etc. I show here statistics in India in the year 2011 to 2015. In West Bengal, 847 persons arrested for the cybercrime purpose. 1461 cases registered. IT Act 2000. The Information Technology Act was enacted in the year 2000 with a view to provide legal recognition to e-commerce and e-transaction to facilitate e-governance and prevent computer-based crime. I show here so many offense section. Importance of cyber law I given here. So my dear student, all of you very carefully use internet, online transaction, give proper password. Thank you.